Guys, be and start attracting the energy that you want for your life. If you want good energy and you want to keep negative energy away, you have to be positive. You have to think differently, and you have to operate differently. You have to operate with love, peace, and joy. I tell you that all the time. Attracting good energy, you have to be the light, meaning you have to smile a lot. You have to say hello when you don't want to. You have to love when you don't want to. Attracting good energy, guys, helps you along your day. And as time goes on, as you constantly, repeatedly do these things, your life is going to change drastically. You're going to see a lot of good doors opening. You're going to see a lot of positive people coming your way. You're going to just give off some good energy where people are going to be receptive. They're going to want it. They're going to want to be around you. Good energy. So guys, please protect your energy and be the light that you want to see so you can bring it to you. Okay? See you guys. To read today. How y'all doing? Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning. We are going to read from Galatians 5, and we're going to go down to verse 22, and then I'm going to go down to 6 and verse 7. So 5 and 22, you guys know, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things there is no law. Those who belong to Christ Jesus have crucified the sinful nature with passions and desires. Since we live by the Spirit, let us keep in step with the Spirit. Let us not become conceited, provoking, envying each other. So guys, those are the fruits of the Spirit. Love, peace, joy, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, all those good things. Okay, we're going to go down to 6 and 7. Well, we'll read 6 first. Anyone who receives instruction in the word must share all good things with his instructor. Okay, so share what you know with your people, down to 7. Do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows. So guys, when you do stuff that's not right, you will reap what you sow. It's basically like karma. But guys, live by the Spirit. Okay? So that is what I wanted to touch on today, and that is really about it, y'all, for tea time today. Y'all already know she's gonna pick it up. Table's clean. But excuse me. That is all I have for tea time today. Hope you guys enjoy it. I got a lot of things going on today. I'm so I was a little tired, but not real tired. But guys, this oatmeal is banging. It really is. So guys, I will come back. Let me eat my oatmeal. I got clothes to put in the dryer, and then we will catch up in a few minutes. Okay? All right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in to tea time. Welcome to Monday morning. Guys, I'm going to go in the room. I'm going to show you the dresser because we didn't stain it. And I'm going to go to Walmart today or Home Depot. I think Home Depot because I got a lot of other things I can get. And I'm going to get some, it's matte. I can't think of the name of it, but it's a matte finish, but it's going to be really pretty for the handles. The handles are a nice color, but I do think it's going to be more, looking a little bit more mid-century once I add the spray paint to the handles. And guys, we got the paint, so I'm going to show you the paint. The paint is here for the deck right here, and we went to Ace. This was like $10, and this is a a satin finish. And if you can see, if the camera will focus, it's high hiding white, and it's porch, and it's floor pink. So yeah, we got that out of the way. So I'm gonna go in the room and I'm gonna show you the dresser, and then I'm just gonna show you the dresser, and then I will come back later. So let's go into the room. Mark is asleep. Just imagine when we paint these are a little black, but not all the way black like I want. So I wanted it to match these stands here. So as you can see, the colors are real similar. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. So once we get that together, that'll be done. I'll put the stuff in the drawers. Those baskets, I think only one of them fit underneath the dresser. I'm gonna keep one basket. I'll probably show y'all in another video. And then I'm gonna paint the spindles today by myself because he did the whole entire deck, so I can at least do that. I'm gonna paint those spindles, and I think I'm gonna probably add the cushion and the pillow to the chair that is done already, and then I'll just go on from there and build from there. So guys, I will see you back in a little while, okay? I must have thought I forgot about outfit of the day, right? So it's just a little jacket. I got my little shirt on. I got the little flares. I got my shiny little leggies and my fake Gucci slides in my black bag. So yeah. All right, y'all. I will be back shortly. All right. Peace and love. I am back. I know it's late. Y'all got a late video today, but I'm going to show y'all. I've just been really busy. So yeah, I went to the grocery store to meet my daughter, so I picked up a few things from Fresh Time. I got some garbanzo beans, some marinara sauce. I picked up some cilantro, 2 lemons. Nothing I'm gonna put on the other channel because it's little stuff. The Diet jalapeno Havarti style block cheese. Got 3 bananas and some jackfruit. And here are the shoes, guys. Remember I told y'all she went one day by herself and got me some leopard shoes. So these are the leopard shoes. And yeah, this video ain't gonna be that long, y'all, today, but hope you guys enjoy it. There's the shoes. I think they're super cute. Yeah, they're super cute. 7.5 from the bin. So guys, I am done with the yard. I almost forgot to show y'all, and I'll show you guys what I picked up from Walmart far as the spray paint. So let me turn the light on out here because it might be a little bit too dark. I don't know. Can y'all see? So there's the lights shining on the deck right there. And guys, look. If you guys can see, let me turn it on. See? Y'all see? It's done, y'all. It's done. It is done. Yes. So, I mean, I did end up spilling some paint, but I think he can fix that. I'm going to see tomorrow if he can fix it. But other than that, look at that. Got the light shining. And then I'll put all this stuff back. And then maybe tomorrow, depending on the weather, I might get a chance to, like, put the stuff on the deck, y'all. But yeah, look at it. It's done, y'all. It's done. So guess what, guys? I will see you all tomorrow. Oh, almost forgot. Here's what I chose for. Here are the handles for the dresser, And this is the paint that I chose. The Rust-Oleum 2X satin. This is the Canyon Black. So those are I don't know if you guys can see, but they're all drying. So once they're dry, I'll place them on the dresser. So guys, I will see you all tomorrow in another video. Peace and love, and remember, love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye y'all. Bye.